Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we have made a quick video on the difference between much and many. Many students are confused when to use many and when to use much. So after watching this video, all the doubts will be clear. So without any further delay, let's begin. Okay, so talking about the much is used when we are talking about nouns which are uncountable, okay, and many is used when we are talking about the nouns which are countable. Okay, uncountable means profit. We had much profit. We never say we had many profits. No. Okay, I have much money. I never say I have many money. No. Okay, much fun. All right, coming on to the many which are countables. For example, I have many properties. There are many days. Okay, or I have many apples. Okay, so anything that is countable is many, and anything which is not countable is much. Okay, much is used mainly for formal purposes. Okay, and many is more of kind of casual, or you can say informal. Okay, however, we can use a lot of and lots of for both countable and this one also. Okay, so these two can be used for countable and uncountable, but many can only be used for countable and much can only be used for uncountable. Okay, so I hope your doubts are clear for the use of much and many. All right, so remember this: much uncountable, many countable. Thank you very much, guys. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.